Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to check the version of your firmware in your DJI Mavic 2 Pro smart remote control and how to update it. So here's how we do it. So I have two independent systems. This is hooked up and connected to one drone. This is to another one, and both are side by side but with different versions of firmware. So let's get zoomed in here. Let me get these things like centered. Okay, so here we see three dots in the corner. You're gonna click on that corner. Let me go back down. This is not the screen I was expecting to see. This is the screen you're gonna see, the beginning screen. See that? So this is the screen you will see. Now, in this screen, I'm gonna zoom in, but just gonna show you. You go down all the way to reach to About. When you reach to the About, click on it. These are the aircraft firmware. This is the remote control firmware. This is the precise fly safe database for the aircraft. This is the precise fly safe database for the app, for the application, and basic fly safe database, and then flight control and camera, flight controller serial number and camera serial numbers. Those are the things. Okay, now we will check for updates. For example, if I want to check for the update, let me close this. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom into this one so you can see better. Okay, so now I'm going to check for the updates for the aircraft. Okay, so you saw the note that says latest firmware. Now I'm going to, now today's date is October 3rd, 2020, nearly midnight, almost. So it's up to date until today. Okay, now we will check for the database of the FlySafe database. Currently the latest version. Now we will check the FlySafe database for the app. Currently the latest version. So everything is remote control is up to date. This I just did this right now. Okay, so everything seems to be good, and now I'm going to close this, and let's do this to the other remote control. Okay, and this remote control, we will go right here all the way down to About, and let's see the aircraft firmware, latest version, latest and latest and latest. All are the latest versions. Okay, now that we don't have the option to upgrade the remote control firmware in this screen, this is how we do a remote control firmware update. We go back to the home screen. To do an update for the remote control firmware, we scroll our hands down from the top. We go to the settings icon. We go all the way down to system, update, system update. Click on that. Checking for updates, and there it is, new version detected. So current version and the new version. Click on update. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is all in blue. This right here, it says click on update. So now it's updating. The update process is not that long, but what it does, it downloads the update. Once the download is completed, it will install the update. Okay, so the download, as soon as it completed, it started installing. So now it's in the installation procedure. It's restarting. Let me zoom in so you could see the message there. It says installing system update. That thing is such a small font. It's unbelievably small font. Okay, so now there is the latest version of the firmware in this puppy. It's doing some initialization after the update. And ta-da. Now watch there, it says latest version. Go fly. And you're good to go. Now the drone is on the ground there, that's why it's picking up a box full of tie wraps. There. Anyways, so you get the picture, you get an idea, you know how to do it. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.